You know what they say, Rowan? Fourth time is a charm.
That's what I hear.
I mean, not that we did poorly before. I love the Outlaw's Vault. I love the Arcana Artifact. I love the Outlaw's Relic. But I feel like if we're gonna do bigger and better than ever, we have to call in the king.
Call in the king.
Boom. I gotta tell you, I felt weird even having the presumption to try to capture the majesty of Houdini, one of the greatest figures in all of magic and rogue history, patron saint of everything we believe in, made into the best puzzle box we've done yet.
I think it looks great. That is a solid 2 pounds you're holding right there.
Because we packed more into this than we've done on any of the other puzzle boxes. Our thinking was, if this is gonna be the king of all of our puzzle boxes, it better have value beyond words. You wanna dive in? You wanna see what's inside?
I do.
Let's
magically unbox.
Magic. So Houdini's career went through different phases. In the beginning, he was only known as Houdini, King of Cards. So we knew we had to include an awesome deck of cards.
And the timing was perfect because our friends over at Theory 11 just released this Hudson deck of cards, which looks like it just belongs with this Houdini.
It looks like it teleported straight from the turn of the century.
It's a very beautiful deck.
Of course, what took Houdini to superstar status was when he started focusing on escape artistry and lock breaking.
Right, and that's why we included all the tools so that you can become the next Houdini.
Yeah, 3 different premium items to help you become an escape artist, starting with the tactical thumb cuffs. Not only do you get to practice all the moves that work on real police-issued handcuffs, but there's a secret way to escape from thumb cuffs that we've taught on Scam School before.
Right, and if you're gonna know how to get out of locks, you have to know how padlocks work.
Yeah.
So we have a transparent padlock so you can see all the mechanics.
Which brings me to my favorite part, a custom limited edition version of the Jackknife Lockpick set. So normally this is where we would include an individually numbered challenge coin, but challenge coin isn't something you're gonna keep on you all the time. And if I'm gonna buy you a free beer when you flash one of these in public, might as well be something you can actually use.
And each one has been individually etched with the new Houdini BB logo.
And an individual number, so the lower the number is, the more I like you.
That's
I think
correct,
you're a cool person.
100%. That is how it works.
Which brings us to the defining characteristic of Houdini. He is without a doubt the greatest magician who ever lived, which means everybody who opens this has to become a magician, right?
Well, how would you do that?
Well, you would start with a lifetime supply of invisible thread.
Absolutely, and each one of the strands is comprised of multiple strands, so you actually get thousands and thousands of feet of invisible thread.
Which brings us to the most important part, because you're gonna need a video tutorial to take you through this. So we have put into a bottle opener that is secretly a USB drive.
What?
On there, we've put hours and hours of our premium extra credit tutorials, plus Scam School Book 1 and Book 2. That's 170 tricks anybody could do at the bar in the enhanced video, audio commentary, multimedia extravaganza. And my favorite part of all is we also tucked away a curated digital museum dedicated to Houdini.
Yeah, this is my favorite part because you can watch silent films that Houdini was in, you can read books written by Houdini, see the promotional posters, and even listen to the only known audio recording of Houdini.
It is weird because I got genuine goosebumps. When you hear his voice, you're reminded, oh, he was a man who shouted into an Edison wax tube at one point. It's amazing. You feel like you're in the presence of him.
It makes him more real. And here's the real magic trick. If you bought all of the stuff on the store by itself, it would cost the same as the Houdini cell.
So you're saying Houdini cell is free? The box comes free when you buy all of these items?
That is how the math works.
All right, so let's talk about Houdini's cell. The artwork is exquisite. There's a story behind it. There are multiple paths to get to the right solution. I think it's going to be a very satisfying, anywhere from a half an hour to 90 minutes for most people to figure these out. There are some crafty folks out there who are gonna be faster, but I think in general, you're gonna have a good experience, especially if you're working on it with somebody else. They're gonna see something that you didn't see, and when you get to the solution, it is deeply satisfying because you realize, of course that's what it is. It couldn't be anything else.
Not only that, we've got third-party verification that this is the most challenging puzzle box.
Are we spilling that? Yeah, no, we've sent some to our hardest core fans, and they have resoundingly approved of the difficulty, the challenge, and the art of this one. And my favorite part is once it's open, your journey is just beginning.
Right.
Not only are you solving Houdini's cell, you're becoming the next Houdini.
Exactly. Houdini's cell is available right now at scamstuff.com. That's gear for the modern rogue in very limited quantities.
Yeah, dude, can't say enough about that. Not only does moving fast get you a lower number, but if you think maybe I'll wait a couple of weeks, maybe the price will go up or down or whatever.
It might not even be here.
May not be there at all. I mean, you can tell a lot of love and hard work goes into every single one of these. So it's not uncommon for us to totally sell out. So I would tell everybody, hustle on over, become the next Houdini.
Scamstuff.com.
Yeah, hopefully your appendix is okay.
And Houdini would be proud of you.
Should we say it's cursed? Do you think people would like that?
It probably is cursed.